In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in FreshBooks. Whether you're a seasoned FreshBooks user or a beginner just getting started with this versatile accounting software, knowing how to efficiently manage your invoices is essential. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get to the FreshBooks website. You can simply open your preferred web browser and perform a Google search for FreshBooks or directly type in the URL. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a familiar interface if you've used FreshBooks before. To proceed, click on the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Now, it's time to enter your login credentials. Simply type in your account information to access your dashboard. If it's your first time logging in from a new device, FreshBooks might ask you to verify it with an email confirmation or a two-step verification process for added security, so keep an eye on your email just in case. With access to your dashboard, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left, where you'll find various options. Click on Invoices to bring up a list of all your current and past invoices. The page that loads will display them, usually by their status, which could be unpaid, paid, or overdue. Locate the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. It's helpful to have the invoice number or client name handy to speed up this process. Click on the chosen invoice to open its detailed view. Here, you'll see all the relevant information about the transaction, including line items, total amounts, and due dates. To the top or side of this invoice view, look for the More Actions button. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options to manage this invoice further. Within this drop-down, select Add a Payment. This step allows you to officially record the payment you've received from your client. You'll then be directed to a window where you need to specify the payment details. Here, you'll find a section labeled Select Payment Method. This is where you indicate if the payment was made by cash, credit card, or any other method you prefer. Choose the appropriate method from the list provided. Once everything looks good and all fields are filled correctly, all that's left is to click Add Payment. By doing this, FreshBooks will automatically update the invoice status from unpaid to paid. You can always go back to the Invoices section on the sidebar and verify that the invoice is now marked as paid, which provides a great way to maintain accurate records and reduce the risk of discrepancies. And there you have it. You've successfully marked an invoice as paid in FreshBooks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other FreshBooks guides. See you next time.